Here's the app called LoopCraft Crochet and Knitting Pattern Stash Stitch Counter, your all-in-one crochet and knitting companion. Step-by-step video tutorials for every stitch. Turn any photo into a step-by-step pattern guide. Explore patterns for every skill level. Track rows, stitches, and progress with ease. Save notes, yarns, and tools in your project journal. Ask any knitting or crochet questions. So, all-in-one companion for knitting success, built for crafters at every skill level, from beginners learning their first stitch to expert designing unique projects. So video tutorials, curated knitting patterns library, knitting PDF parser and manager, materials kit tracker. So yeah, all kind of stuff you can see in here. And then you just see in here, so start journey. And then yeah, just see in here. So now you see it free for 7 days. Oh, and then $30 per year or $4 for 1 week. So then you have all of this photo to tutorial. You can see nice showcase. You can start project. So that's kind of the idea, as you can see, kind of like a. And then you have your profile. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. Pretty cool app. How you can just discover it. So try it out.